Hello friends, my name is Tejas Patil and today's video topic is on recursion in Java, and today's date is 12 September 2022. So first we will see what is recursion. In Java, the method which call itself again and again, that method is called as recursive method, and this process is known as recursion. If we take uh, general life example of recursion is to be placing mirrors opposite to one another, and placing the one object in between them, and it shows infinite images of that object in both mirrors. This happens because of this is also we can take as example of a recursion. Now we will see what is the means what we how we use recursion in Java. For in Java we use for making any process again and again. We generally we use for loop and loops, for loops, while loops. But by using recursion, many of complex problems are we can solve many complex problems easily. If we take example of a star pattern, as we know that, for star pattern we use for two for loops, and in that we write condition, and after that we print that pattern. But in this we use at least two for loops, and after that we use if else conditions. But in recursion, by using recursion, we only use conditional statements, and we are able to uh, print that pattern without using any type of loop. For example, uh, uh, when if we take a method that is named as I loop, we can pass parameters like for initialization and range of that whatever range we have to for that pattern. After that when we call that method, in that method first we write a if condition. After that whenever we go in that income condition, we can write a call to j loop. In j loop again there first if condition is there, and after that whatever printing process is there, means if condition and that particular uh, particular condition, and after that we sop star, and in else we write space, and after that we increment that j, and we again call j loop. And whenever the j loop is means until and unless j loop is running, uh, because of this j loop is running until and unless condition becomes false, again the flow of control goes to I loop, and after that I loop there is also increment for I loop, and again I loop call itself. So during this we can print the pattern easily. Now we will see the disadvantage of advantage and of recursion. In the biggest disadvantage is the biggest disadvantage is to be uh, yeah, biggest disadvantage is like whenever we are using for loop for printing anything, that time that value of that variable in stack memory is override. But in the recursion we call method, so there are different values are there, and because of this stack memory is full. But there is a garbage collector, it will swipe that all values. And in recursion, whenever there are multiple values, the last return value, it is print on the console. So that's all from my side. Thank you.